T33, take 1, October 7th, Monday. Get this baby dialed in. This is a fat battery here, boy. It's a heavy Chevy. Alright. Turn on the juice. Set the switch. Ooh, I don't know, but I don't like that. I wonder if the battery might be low. Huh. Let's see what happens. Boot up. Okay, we ready? I do believe so, folks. Alright. Set that remote to full throws. Ooh, the sun disappeared. That's kind of cool for a change. Here we go. Let's take it out over there. There we go. Turn the gyro on. Woo! What a loop. Going loopy. Woo! Suckers cooking. I love this T-Bird. This thing's a gas. I get good times out of this one too. With the 1500, 120 Cs. Let's see here. Still a little funky Cole Medina. Oh yeah. Coming down. Alright. A little rip and roll. Flyby. I even changed the perception on this thing. I drew in the camera closer. I'm learning how to work my hat cam finally. Yeah, this is a fun plane to fly. This is the Arrows T-33. They called it the T-Bird. It was produced in 1943. Was the trainer, one of the first jets. Love it. Okay. That's a click. That was, I think that was 2. And I've been full tomatoes. When you go full tomatoes on this plane, you're only good for about 3 minutes. Especially the way I fly. So I get one more beep, I gotta bring it in. I don't think I ever told you guys. Every time I hear a beep on this radio, it tells me it's a minute. And if you're good, you pay attention and you count the minutes. Because when you run out of juice, it's not a good thing. Here, one more. I'll do one more loop around and we'll bring her in. It's got to be about 3 minutes. I'll go way out there, way out there. And now I'm just going to let her coast right into the wind. Should be able to bring her right in, smooth and creamy. Look at this, look at this. Oh yeah, baby. Woohoo! Big time! Big timer. Man, I love my head cam.